In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically automate your posting to Medium using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. We're going to be using a cloud-based app called MedPoster AI to do this. Just click on the link down below in the description to get your pre-sale report and to purchase this. So what this does is this allows you to automate your entire medium.com workflow with artificial intelligence, and it will allow you to start ranking in Google again. Now, Google has recently, within the past year or so, released some algorithmic updates that make it harder and harder for you to rank your websites in Google. However, there is now a solution for that because MedPoster AI will write your articles for you based on keywords or titles that you put into it, and it will then post that article to Medium. And Google loves Medium. Google trusts Medium very much. And a lot of posts are ranking at the very top of Google, even in rich snippets now from Medium. So you're going to have a great big advantage of using this. Now, you can get the current pricing of this down below in the description by clicking the link. But without further ado, let's get into it. And I'm just going to show you real quick how it works. So this is the MedPoster AI dashboard. This is the campaign dashboard. And these are all the campaigns that I have in here. Now, all you have to do to create a campaign is click on New Campaign here, and this will allow you to create these campaigns. Now, this will show you, you can put URLs and keywords in here. If you do a URL, it will pull information from that URL, and then it will write an article based on the information in that URL. And that works great for reviews. So if you hit the TikTok box here that says reviews, you can go ahead and do a review article just by putting in like a sales page or a product page, and it will do a full review article for you and post that straight to Medium. And you can put as many keywords, titles in here as you want, one per line. I'm just going to give it a name here, and I'm going to put personal finance, and then my keyword, I'm going to do personal finance goals. I'm just going to do one here for you right now just so that you can see exactly how this works. And you can click on use keyword as title. So if you have an actual title, you want to keep it as a title, then you can click that TikTok box and it will keep all of your keywords as your title, and it won't differentiate from that. The context box, you can put in any other information that you want to give to ChatGPT, and it will then go ahead and use that context box. Next thing we have is add video embeds. This will allow you to add video embeds. It's very recommended that you add a video embed to every article because that gives some authority in your Medium post because you're using a Google property. Now, if you are a YouTube creator and have a YouTube channel, or you have a client that has a YouTube channel, this app will be perfect for you because by you putting a video embed of a video in your channel inside of here, you're going to be creating authority on your YouTube channel. Now for add images, I don't like to TikTok this box, even though you probably should add a keyword in there. But the reason why I don't do that is because by using ChatGPT in this, you have to put your OpenAI key in there. And it does charge you. Now, it's only charging you pennies per article, but it does charge you. It's charging me like 4 cents an article, I do believe. But if you add an image, it's going to create an image for you using DALL-E, and it's going to create that using another 8 cents. So instead of me paying 4 cents an article, I would be paying 8 cents an article if I add the images. So I'm not adding the images right now. I'm really seeing if my articles are going to rank on Google even without. I've seen or other posts do that doesn't have images in it, This is what I'm testing to make sure, but you can add images in there. It's recommended that you let Dolly add your images, and you just click top. You leave that box ticked, and you would uncheck the stock images, the Google search images, and the URL, and just keep the AI generated images checked. And it costs 8 cents per image. Okay, so I'll uncheck that. And then with the YouTube embeds, we can tell it that, okay, I wanted to add a certain video in there, or I wanted to automatically search for and put a relevant video in there. So if I have a couple hundred posts that I want it to make over a long period of time, I'm going to put the automatically search YouTube for related videos. But if I'm just doing one article right here and I know what video I want to put in there, I want to click add custom video, and then I would put the URL in there as well. Okay, for GPT model, it is recommended that you use GPT 4.0 if you have access to that. And in the training here, it's going to tell you how you can get access to GPT 4.0 if you don't already. Point of view would be, I leave that as second person, language is English, and it has all of these languages in here as well that you can use. And tone of voice, I like to leave as friendly. And total number of posts to create, since up here we had one keyword, I'm going to create one post. Now, if we had 5 keywords, I would change that to 5. Or if I had 10 keywords, I would change it to 10, and so on and so on. So now I would do publish immediately or publish on a schedule. Now, since we only have one, I can do publish immediately. But if I only had like 50 posts to create, I would put total number of posts to create, I would put 50. And then I would put a publish on a schedule, and then post one every day. You can post 1 a day, 2 a day, 3 a day, or you can do every minute, every hour, every day, every week, every month, or every year. And just keep that in mind. You can post on a schedule. I can do personal finance goals up here, and then I could put 50 in here. You put a broad term up here in the keywords, and then you can put 50 in there, but not sure how repetitive they're going to be, because it will create 50 posts based on that one keyword. And then publish immediately. Now this will be post to Medium, and you can click that box and select the Medium account that you have that you want to post it to. You can connect an unlimited amount of Medium accounts to this, which means there are no limits to how many Medium accounts that you have, but you do have credits. I have 637 credits left for this month. 1 credit equals 1 post. And then you would click create. It's telling me since you're creating only 1 post, you can enter a custom title. We don't want to do that. And then we'll just click create. And it's creating. There it is, personal finance, informational article, active. Okay, let me refresh this, and it's going to say 0 out of 1. This does take about a minute to have ChatGPT write everything out for you. Now, it is going to be SEO'd for rankings in Google. It's also going to be putting headings in there. It's going to be putting that YouTube video that we wanted in there, and it's going to be putting a table in there as well. So let's go ahead and refresh it again. And here we are, 40 seconds later, we have our article. So let's click on view, and we're going to go down, and we have 1,995 words, which is perfect. And let's do view, and this is our article, Mastering Your Personal Finance Goals. And this is the article that it has come out with. And as you can see, there are headings in here, there's lists, there's our table here, and it's really good at giving all the information that's needed and explaining everything. And I'm scrolling down, and here it is, and here is our summary. And then it even posts down here at the bottom, if you found this article helpful, please clap, leave a comment, and subscribe to my Medium newsletter for more tips and updates in personal finance. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, click the like below. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and you have a wonderful day.